So I gotta take out this CPU bracket. So now to close it. So now we're gonna install Seagate SSD M.2s. So I got CPU installed with a CPU block as well, and M.2, and as well as memories installed as well. So now I'm gonna go in and actually put it inside the case.
So what you're seeing here, I'm actually getting ready to cut some of the carbon fiber tubes. And one thing that I did want to do in this build is to use some tubes with carbon fiber. Because when I did speak to Larry about this project, and he did mention about his car that he was working on, that it had some carbon fiber parts. So I think that was a good opportunity to kind of incorporate that into the actual build. So it actually fits in pretty well with the theme on his car. So now that I'm gonna go in and actually just install these carbon fiber tubes into the actual build, so it should look pretty neat, and I'm pretty excited how things are going. Alright guys, carbon fibers are installed. Everything seems pretty much good to go, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on adding coolant to it. But I'm gonna go ahead and stick with some clear coolant to give it more of the industrial look to it that we're striving for on this build. So let's go ahead and do that, and yeah, it's gonna look good.